Ethereum is expected to fall 16.3% tomorrow, based on Gov Capital. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. Ethereum has posted a 17.9% increase today and is now near the $2,253.77 level. Let's get into what analysts expect today. According to coin price forecast, $2,254 is likely tomorrow, a projected growth of close to 0.1%. CoinLore foresees Ethereum moving down to $2,223, a fall of approximately 1.3%. CoinDataFlow notes it could slip to $1,991.11, a fall close to 11.6%. A separate outlook from Gov Capital indicates Ethereum could edge lower to $1,885.05, a fall close to 16.3%. And to wrap up crypto, predictions predicts $1,648.67 by August 21, a decrease of 26.8%. This one shows the highest return potential. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decline of 26.8% to a rise of 0.1%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Crypto Predictions provides the leading forecast with 26.8% lift in value by tomorrow. It's clear you could earn between $1 and $268 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, Coin Price forecast indicates the most likely movement, with an 82.8% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Consensus outlook sees Ethereum retreating nearly 11.2% from current price. So here's the breakdown. Consensus analysis indicates the price could slip by 11.2%. Simply expressed, your capital may also move higher by about 11.2% in step with that change. In terms of 1,000, the scenario could translate into $112 more. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for Ethereum is estimated near 1.8%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. Coin Price forecast expects only slight fluctuations. CoinLore indicates that prices could dip further. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow expects Ethereum to decline steadily. Also, Gov Capital expects losses to extend. Also, Crypto Predictions highlights building pressure to the downside. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus shows Ethereum drifting lower. So, 80% of analysts are leaning toward a bearish outlook for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. Ultimately, the closing price printed $2,252.64. 3 out of 5 were correct about the direction.